सो हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आपका दोस्त, आपका नीट मेंटर फ्रॉम नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी न्यू दिल्ली एक बार फिर से। और आज अपन डिस्कस करेंगे एनसीईआरटी का एनिमल टिश्यू चैप्टर, ओके, जो कि ऑल्सो नोन एज स्ट्रक्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन एनिमल, ओके। एंड एनसीईआरटी का वो हर एक में डिस्कस करेंगे जहां से अपना नीट के लिए क्वेश्चन टेक आउट हो सकता है, ओके। तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इस चैप्टर से, तो स्क्वामस एपिथेलियम, ओके। Squamous epithelium क्या है? It is a single thin layer of the flattened cells with irregular boundaries. Okay. Example क्या हो गया? Wall of the blood vessels, then yeah, in the diffusion boundaries. Okay, it's called diffusion boundaries, and then in air sacs of alveoli. Okay. Then next point, cuboidal epithelium. Okay, simple cuboidal epithelium. क्या point है इसमें? It is commonly found in the duct of the glands and tubular part of the nephron of the kidney. And then cuboidal epithelium of the PCT of nephron. PCT means proximal convoluted tubule of the nephron have a microvilli which gives it a brass border appearance. Okay. And then this brass border appearance finally क्या करता है? Increases epithelia. And then simple columnar epithelium. Okay. इसमें first one. This is like have column-like appearance, and ये most important point है कि nucleus is located at the base, okay, and then it's present at the lining of the stomach and intestine, okay. Then ciliated epithelium. Ciliated epithelium में क्या है? ये है modification of the columnar and cuboidal epithelium, okay. जो ciliated epithelium है, this is like columnar and cuboidal epithelium after modified it becomes ciliated epithelium. कैसे? इसका काम क्या है? It moves the particles or the mucus in a specific direction over the epithelium and then present mainly on the inner surface of the hollow organs like bronchioles and fallopian tubes. Okay. Then क्या है? Pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. Okay. It is found in the trachea and the bronchi. Okay. Then pseudostratified non-ciliated columnar epithelium. ये कहाँ पाया जाता है? In the duct of the parotid salivary gland and male urethra. And then glandular epithelium. Okay. यहाँ पे क्या है कि columnar and the cuboidal epithelium are specialized for the secretion and become glandular epithelium. And glandular epithelium are of two types. एक है unicellular glandular epithelium and another is multicellular glandular epithelium. तो अब unicellular glandular epithelium क्या करता है? Secretion. And इसका example क्या है? Goblet cell of the alimentary canal. Okay, goblet cell of the alimentary canal. Only goblet cell नहीं. यहाँ पे alimentary canal important है. Then multicellular glandular epithelium. Example क्या है इसका? Salivary gland. Then endocrine gland. Endocrine gland तो पता ही है, hormone secreting gland and ductless gland. And then exocrine glands are having duct, okay, and क्या secrete करता है? Mucus, saliva, airwax, and oil milk and digestive enzymes. Okay, then next, compound epithelium. Okay, compound epithelium is because of multi-layered, they have a limited role in the secretion and absorption. Okay, and then इसका main function क्या होता है? Protection against chemical and mechanical stress. And found in the dry surface of the skin, moist surface of the pharynx and the buccal cavity, and the inner lining of the duct of the salivary and pancreatic duct. Then connective tissue. Okay, so connective tissue are named connective tissue because of their special function of linking and supporting other tissue and organ of the body. Okay, then except blood, the connective tissue cells secrete fiber of the structural protein. क्या क्या स्ट्रक्चरल प्रोटीन है? कोलाजन एंड इलास्टिन. ओके, तो Except blood, the connective tissue cells secrete fibers, okay, that can be collagen or elastin fibers of structural protein. And that's why blood is known as false connective tissue because of absence of this collagen and elastin. Then fiber provide strength, elasticity, flexibility to the tissue. Okay. Fiber provides a strength, elasticity, and flexibility to the tissue. The next point, in connective tissue, cell also secrete modified polysaccharides, okay, which accumulate between the cells and the fibers and act as the ground substance or matrix. ये important point. Okay. Then connective tissue क्या क्या है? Loose connective tissue and loose connective tissue में क्या क्या आता है? Areolar connective tissue and adipose connective tissue. Okay. Areolar and adipose connective tissue. Okay, so areolar connective tissue कहाँ present है? Beneath the skin, okay, and serve as a framework for the epithelium. ये important point. Serve as a framework for the epithelium and contain fibroblast cell which secrete fibers. And then adipose connective tissue. Adipose connective tissue present mainly beneath the skin and specialized to store fat. Okay, ये भी important. And then fibers and the fibroblast are compactly packed in the dense connective tissue. Okay, then एक आता है क्या? Okay, then dense connective tissue two types. क्या? Dense regular and dense irregular. So dense regular क्या है? Dense regular में collagen fiber are present in row between many parallel bundles of fiber. Okay, and dense regular में क्या क्या है? Tendon and ligament. Okay, tendon का काम है tendon connect bone to muscle and a ligament connect bone to bone. Okay, ये important part. Then dense irregular. So dense irregular में क्या point है कि it has fibroblast and many fibers. Mostly क्या? Collagen. Mostly collagen. Then intercellular material of the cartilage क्या है? Softer, pliable and resisting compression. Then cartilage cells are known as chondrocytes. Okay, cartilage cells are known as chondrocytes. Then most of the cartilage in the vertebrate embryo are replaced by the bone in the adult. Okay. Then cartilage present कहाँ कहाँ है? Tip of the nose, then outer ear joint. Okay. Then between the adjacent bone of the vertebral column, and then limbs and hands in adult. Okay. Okay. Then intercellular material of the bones. Okay. क्या है? Hard, non-pliable, and rich in calcium, salt, and the collagen fiber. Okay. Which give bone its strength. Okay. Important part. Then bones are the main tissue that provide structural framework to the body. Then bones support and protect the other tissue and organ of the body. Then bone cells are known as osteocytes and present in the space which is known as lacuna. Okay. The limb bone, such as the long bone of the legs, serve weight bearing function. Okay, and they also attach to the skeletal muscle to bring about movement. Then some bone are the site of the blood cell production. Okay, not all bone. Some bones are the site of the blood cell production. Then next, muscle. Each muscle made up of many long cylindrical fibers which are arranged in parallel arrays. Okay. Then muscle fiber are composed of the numerous fine fibrils known as myofibrils. Then in general, muscle play active role in all movement of the body. Okay. Next, skeletal tissue closely attached to the skeletal bones, just to bring about the movement. Okay. And then typical muscle का example क्या है? Biceps. Typical muscle का example है biceps. Okay. And then a sheath of the connective tissue encloses several bundle of the muscle fibers. Okay. Then our smooth muscle fiber are taper at the both end. इसे क्या और बोल सकते हैं, फ्यूजिफॉर्म. ओके, सो स्मूथ मसल फाइबर आर टेपर एट बोथ एंड, also known as fusiform, and they do not show any strengths. Okay, एग्जाम्पल क्या है, वॉल ऑफ द इंटरनल ऑर्गन. ओके, कहाँ पे पाया जाता है, वॉल्स ऑफ द इंटरनल ऑर्गन लाइक ब्लड वेसल्स, स्टमक एंड इंटेस्टाइन. स्मूथ मसल्स है, involuntary muscle also. Okay, then cardiac muscle. So cardiac muscle tissue is a contractile muscle tissue and only present in heart. Okay, cardiac muscle tissue only present in heart. Then cell junction fuse the plasma membrane of the cardiac muscle cell and make them stick together. That's why they excite together. Okay, and then in cardiac muscle, communicated junction always known as intercalated disc. Okay, and at some fusion point allows the cell to contract as a unit. Okay, then neural tissue exerts the greatest control over the body's responsiveness to changing in the condition. And a neuron is the unit of the neural system, and they are excitable cells. Okay, and neuroglial cell protect and support the neurons, and this neuroglia make more than half of the neural tissue. ओके, सो ये था टोटल एनसीईआरटी का पॉइंट्स इस चैप्टर से, जहां से अपना नीट के लिए क्वेश्चन पिक आउट हो सकता है. ओके, एंड अगर आप इस सब पॉइंट्स को कर लेते हो तो आपको पूरा एनसीईआरटी यहीं पे कवर हो जाएगा. ओके, तो इस चैप्टर में जस्ट टोटल 4 टिश्यूज है, एपिथेलियल, कनेक्टिव, मस्क्यूलर एंड नर्वस टिश्यू. तो चारों में से जितने भी पॉइंट्स है जहां से अपना क्वेश्चन पिक आउट हो सकता है, जो जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, सब यहाँ पे 46 पॉइंट्स में कवर हो गया है. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड टू शेयर इट. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट